Hey guys, it is I. Hope you guys are doing well. The economy is really suffering, right? Due to some choices by our officials, we are dealing with some serious prices, right? Granted, where I live, for gas, for example, for 87 gas is like $4.79 last time I checked, which is quite high, right? And not only that, like when you're buying food items and stuff, food is quite expensive. So how do you manage to survive in these systems, right? Well, the biggest thing is to pretty much keep working for now. If you don't have like a business and stuff, you have to work. And I hate to say this, but you really, really need to really invest. Investing now is more important than before. And here's why, right? With all the things that are happening in the economy, I am not saying anything is going to happen to the US dollar. The US dollar is going to fall, anything like that. Sorry, cars are coming, right? I'm not saying anything like that. I'm just like observing, and from historical, things that happened in the past doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen in the future. But from just looking at how things played out in the past, right? When things like this happen, you would notice that as you know, prices get higher for certain goods and services, asset prices also tend to climb, right? Yes, right now the stock market is down, cryptos are down and stuff, but over time they climb higher. For example, case in point, XRP, and this is not me saying go buy XRP and stuff. I'm not endorsing XRP and stuff. I'm just saying XRP. I still hold some, but I'm looking at it. XRP, it declined right from its previous all-time highs, but its decline is not that bad if you want to look at previous history. XRP used to sit at 30 something cents years ago. Now it's chilling between 140 and 160, and this is in what we consider a bear market in crypto, right? This is a pullback. So things like that tells me, hey, things are not cool for asset prices because things have pullbacks, but they are still relatively high to where they used to be. Look at silver. When I bought silver was $12 for a pound of silver, a coin. Now silver is sitting at 70 something bucks, right? Or 69 bucks if you want to sell it. So 70 something to buy, 60 something, 69 or something to sell. But either way, it's well above $12, right? Same thing for Bitcoin. You could look at housing, right? I am not saying go out and take, everything you have and throw it from dollars into assets, but you should definitely have a place where you have money or cash if you need cash. Definitely, whatever you think you need, double it, and you should be good. But also, like over time, assets tend to perform better than the dollar over time, right? And one of the biggest things I've seen, and from studying finance and stuff, common stock tends to do better than just holding money in the economy in a bank account or something, because over time asset prices tend to go up, right? Not financial advice or anything, just me sharing some knowledge. And yeah, if you guys like videos like this and stuff, I'm gonna try to I really need to try to make more videos and stuff. I've been studying and stuff. Yeah, but if you want more not financial tips, because I can't give you financial advice, but I could just let you guys know what I'm doing. And you guys see it every month, right? I invest $200 in my Robinhood account just to show you guys how over time you build $10,000 in that account, right? And you just have to invest what you can afford to lose, right? Over time. So I will keep doing that. So next month is coming up soon, so I might invest in $100 or $200. I was doing 100, but I did 200 last month because I like how XRP was just chilling for a long time. And again, this is not an endorsement saying to buy XRP and stuff. It's just like from my own observations from assets I hold. I'm like, this thing has been right here forever. What's going on? Might be an interesting thing to buy and hold, right? That's how I'm doing it. But it could be I don't know, shoes for you, Foot Locker or something. I don't know. It could be whatever, right? But yeah. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. Comment down below. Take care.